Hi friends, welcome to Crazy Shisha. My online school is going on and yours too. How is it going on? Today I am going to share a really good material or something that I am using for my school. I am using some headphones and these are one of my favorite headphones. So these headphones name is Sodo MH3. So these headphones are really good and these are coming for rupees 2990. I got it, but if it's lockdown, so you can't buy it now. So first we'll unbox it and then I'll show you what features does it have. So now let's unbox it up. I need some help of my nail. Here. We'll keep this box aside. So now friends, we get a USB cable in here that we can charge our headphone with. We get an aux wire. If you don't want to use the headphone Bluetooth or wireless, you can use it with wire because these headphones are wireless and Bluetooth. And now friends, we get our main thing, that is our headphones. So let's remove it up. So friends, these are our headphones. So now friends, this is really good looking, and if you see there on the right side there is Sodo written here. On the left side you will see some buttons that are there, and on the top it's also written Sodo. So from outside my headphone color is golden and pinkish kind of, but you can get a lot of different colors in this too. Now if we talk about the inside of my headphone, these headphones are white fully from the inside, and there is written left and right to identify which ear will go where. And there is a really soft cushioning given by Sodo on the ear sides, and they have given a cushioning on the top too, right here. So it can be comfortable for your head. And friends, if you are wondering, I had told this is a 2-in-1 headphone that turns into a speaker. How will it turn into a speaker? So friends, see here, these are the headphones. You flip this over like this, so these will turn into speakers. Now friends, I'll give you a tutorial how to use this. So you just have to wear it, nothing special about that. And see friends, this button, as you can see, there is an on sign there. So pressing this button you can on the headphone, and pressing this button you can receive calls. And now I'll talk about these two buttons when I'll show you how to connect it with Bluetooth or aux wire. So friends, if you're traveling and you're using these headphones, so you can fold them up like this to keep it in any bag, or you can carry it like this, or as it is you want. And friends, if your head grows bigger and you say how will this small headphone fit us when our head grows little bigger, so friends, this you can see this partition, small partition, pull it from both the sides. You can increase the height of your headphone, and if you want you can fold it with this same height, but the height of this will increase, no problem. For that, if your bag is bigger, you can put it anywhere. So now friends, I'll just on the headphones, I'll show you. So see friends, there is a light coming right there, and friends, here I have my phone. So now we'll connect my phone to the headphones. So see friends, I am going into Bluetooth, and see friends, MH3, that's the name of our model number of our headphones, that is already connected, it's showing. So our headphone is connected. Now friends, we'll wear it. This is name left, this is name right. So right there. So now friends, I'll play a song. So friends, the song is going on the headphones mode. Now I'll turn it into speaker mode. See friends, as you can hear, now it's on the speaker mode. Now friends, see, this is the on button that comes on the below. So now we can go back and forth for the song. So near this on off button, you can go behind, and you can go reverse, and from this button near the call button, you can go ahead. And friends, you can back close speaker. And now friends, you hear the clarity of the song. So now we'll off connected from the Bluetooth, and then I'll show you how to use it with the aux wire. So friends, I'll first off the headphone so it doesn't get connected back. So see friends, there is a pink light, so the headphone will get off. And now friends, now we'll take the aux wire right here. We'll open it up. So there are two white coverings for the aux wire, so we'll just remove them up. And I'll keep them aside. So friends, there is a black and golden kind of combination for the pin and a red wire. So now friends, on the left side of the headphone, you can see a hole right there. So now we plug any side. If you can plug any side in this hole, it doesn't matter. And the other side you can plug in your device, but there is a difference for both of these buttons. So in the Bluetooth it changes songs, and now in the aux wire it changes volume. So friends, this is only a difference between these two buttons using aux wire and Bluetooth. Now we'll plug off the aux wire and we'll put it back. So friends, this is just for safety, so your pin stays safe. And now friends, comes the USB wire. Now how to attach the USB wire? So friends, near the aux wire hole you get a flat this pin space. So now you will get a human being sign right there. So you have to plug that side in, and friends, plug it really slowly. And friends, you can plug this back inside so it can get charged. So friends, if you are using it with Bluetooth, it needs charging, and if you are using it with aux wire, it needs charging. And friends, now we are talking about charging. Now we'll talk about this battery life. This battery life, if you are using this headphone continuously, this gives us a average of battery life as 7 hours if you are using it continuously. And friends, as I said, you can fold this, open it back up, increase the sizes. I'm just taking a revision through all of this tutorial, how to use these buttons, how to connect it with Bluetooth, how to charge, how to use the aux wire. Thank you friends for watching this video, and bye.